you can earn up to $800 per month. Hello guys, welcome to Online Hustle Corner. In this corner, we give you daily tips and opportunities on how to make money online. If this is what you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click the bell button so that you can be the first to be notified when we post money making opportunities. The website we are going to be talking about today is rev.com. I'm going to drop a link to the website in the description, so don't worry about this. I will drop all the links. So from the website, you can see the service they provide is audio and video transcriptioning, English and closed captions, and global translation subtitles. So this is how the website looks like. Everything about the website is pretty basic and straightforward. So if you want to apply for the job, you just scroll down to the end of the website and click on Become a Freelancer. So let's wait for it to load. So this is how the job application side looks like. Rev Freelance Jobs lets you work from anywhere, earn money transcribing, captioning, and subtitling. So this is basically how it is. You just fill out the form, say create a flexible work schedule, choose from hundreds of jobs, get paid weekly. Yeah, and they accept people worldwide. Listen to audio and videos, accurately type what is said and label the speakers. You can see how much you can earn as a transcriptionist. You can earn up to $1 per audio minute. And as a captioner, you can also earn. So basically, this is how the website is. Everything is just pretty basic and straightforward. So there's really no need for too much explanation. So the next website we're going to be talking about is GoTranscript.com. GoTranscript.com is also a transcription website where you can get paid to listen to audio and type out what you hear. So it's pretty basic and pretty easy. You can see how the website is. It's very user friendly. You can see they do transcriptioning, captioning, translation, and foreign subtitles. So there's going to be like a lot of work for you here. And they work with a lot of good partners. Like their partners are very big brands. They do medical, legal, academic, and enterprise transcription. You can see it. That's what they're based on. So it's just basically easy. So if you want to apply for the job, you just scroll down to the end of the website. Scroll down all the way to the end of the website and click join as a transcriber. So this is how the application website looks like. So it says transcription jobs available worldwide. Join GoTranscript and become part of a global team of professional transcriptionists. You can watch the video to know how the application process goes. But if you see here, you can see that they pay 0.6 cents per audio minute. You can earn an average of $150 monthly, and their top earning transcriptionists can earn up to $1,215 monthly. So it's just pretty easy. You're going to have to verify yourself. So you see the website is pretty easy and straightforward. And the fact that they employ people worldwide is a good sign. That means you can apply from anywhere in the world. You have a lot of languages that they work with. See what vacancy is available. So we are currently only hiring for a transcriber's position. See, you can go down to the facts and get any answers that you want. Can you use your phone? Yes, but we recommend using a laptop or a PC. So everything is pretty answered here. So just go straight on. I'm going to drop the link in the description. So no need to worry. I'm going to drop a link in the description so you can come here directly. So let's see how it is. Click apply now. See, everything is just pretty easy. You need to write your email, create a password, then sign up. So the next website we're going to be visiting is Scribby.com. Scribby.com is also a transcription website where you can listen to audios and just simply type what you hear. So we see audio and video transcriptioning. That's exactly what I said it was going to be like. So this is how the website looks like. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. They also partner with top brands like Google, Netflix, Stripe, Airbnb, Oracle. So the website is really very promising. So if you want to join, just go all the way to the end of the website and join as a transcriber. So sign up as a transcriber, set up a PayPal account and take a transcriptioning test. So just click on get started to move forward. It's a freelance transcription. You will work at your convenience and you can earn up to $5 to $20 per audio hour. We provide automated transcriptioning to save you around 60% of the typing effort. So you see, they've already made the work a bit easy. So you can see listen, correct, and get paid. So you're not even doing a lot of work. So let's say as a beginner, you can earn up to $400 per month. Wow, that is quite big. So, and all you need is good English comprehension, ability to interpret conversations, ability to apply context and identify mistake, a verified PayPal account, a laptop or a desktop, headphone and a headset. As an intermediate transcriber, you can earn up to $800 per month, and as an advanced transcriber, you can earn up to $1,600 per month. So this is how it is. Just basically fill the form and I'm sure they will send a link to your email where you can take the test. The test is pretty easy, so there's nothing to be scared about. It's pretty easy. You just have to listen to an audio and write what you hear. Plus you're going to be trained before you take the test. So they're going to tell you what they expect from you and everything. So it's basically nothing to be scared about. So just go ahead and fill the form. If you're still here, that means you're really interested. So please don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe to this channel, and also share this to your friends who you think might be interested in this great job opportunity. Don't be selfish. Let other people also know about it. So the next website we are going to be looking at today is transcribeme.com. So don't worry, I'm going to drop the link to the site in the description. I'm going to drop all the links in the description so it can be easy for you guys to navigate through. So when you go to transcribeme.com, this is how the website looks like. Okay, so it's also a transcriptionist website where you can convert audio to text or videos to text. All you have to do is listen to the audio and type what you can hear. That's pretty easy. That's pretty basic. I think everyone can do this. So this is how the website looks like. It's just pretty straightforward. So you can know everything about the website. To sign up for the job, just go all the way down to the end of the website. Go down. Okay, go up a little. Just go up a little. Then you click on, you see please already looking for a job, visit our job page. So just click on that place and to open up this page to you. Say transcription job, get paid working from home, join the transcription professional crowd and start working on projects. So this is how it is. The highest pay, we have the industry best rate with earnings starting from $15 to $22 per audio hour and top monthly earnings at $2,200 and an average of $250 per month. So you see, let's go down, ready to join the team. Click on get started, then create your account. So when this page opens up to you, we just fill in all the blanks. Give them all the informations that you want. You can see no need to look for work, it comes to you. Transcribe whenever and whatever you want. So it's pretty easy. Say transcribe short 2 to 4 minute videos. So it's just easy. You can see a lot of languages, and also they hire worldwide. That is the most important thing. So you can sign up for this job anywhere you are in the world. Okay, so that's it for now. This is part one of this video. So I'm going to be uploading part two tomorrow or within the week. So just watch out for part two. So that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So bye guys.